afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
beta.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All are okay, fit and fine? Yes,
ma'am.
students?
Yes,
Good afternoon.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. So kindly put on your video. Let me see you all before I take the class. Yes, children. Just put on your video, everyone, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I could see Aditya, Mathur. Good. Anyone, please? So today we are going to start, okay? So I think we'll start the class, beta. Yes,
Yes,
all are
ma'am.
ready for the class? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Once again, good afternoon to everyone. And I hope you will focus in this chapter that we are going to study today. That is, what is the name of the chapter? Children at work. Okay? What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
name of the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Children
Children at work.
Yes, children at work. What do you understand by this? Do you have something in your mind when you read this sentence? Do you think something? Yes? कोई सोच आता है आप लोग को? Something you think when you read this one, children at work. What do you feel? आप क्या फील कर सकते हो?
बच्चे काम पर।
हाँ, देखो आप लोग के जैसे छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो है they are going to do the work. These days you can see so many children, they are working due to their financial problem, isn't it? क्या होता है? बिकॉज इन लोग
Yes,
के
ma'am.
पास सर्वाइवल के लिए बट मतलब वट एवर दे रिक्वायर दे डोंट गेट इट फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स because their parents they cannot provide them, thus they go for work for their basic need. जब हम सोचते हैं ना so many children, जब हम we are going to school or we are studying and but some children they are not getting this opportunity what we are getting. जो अपॉर्चुनिटी हमको मिल रहा है वो कई सारे बच्चों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रहा है. So do you think their life is how they are surviving, how they are managing their life? Yes, no? Because for us parents are there, they are supporting whenever we are asking, Papa today I want to eat ice cream. शाम होते ही आपको आइसक्रीम मिल जाता है. Today I want beautiful dress, है ना? 2 दिन के बाद या तो उसी वक्त पे आपको ऑनलाइन पे परचेस कर देते हैं, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. लेकिन जब हम देखते हैं those who are poor people, even they eager for
कभी रोज
something. Yes, उन लोग बहुत ज्यादा मतलब मेहनत करने के बाद, हार्ड वर्किंग करने के बाद, धूप में काम करने के बाद, बच्चों को देखोगे कोई मतलब होटल वगैरह में प्लेट्स धोने के लिए देखते हो, है ना, दे वॉश द प्लेट्स एंड ऑल, बट आफ्टर ऑल दे ओनली गेट द फूड दैट दे रिक्वायर फॉर डेली सर्वाइवल. उनके पास कोई अच्छे कपड़े नहीं होते हैं, they don't have nice clothes to wear, isn't it? So when we think these people, तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हमारे माइंड में क्या होता है, अराइज होने लग जाता है. क्यों ऐसा होता है? Why this their parents are not giving them proper food, proper clothes? तो उसमें भी हमको आंसर मिल जाता है. We ask ourselves that question, but that answer also we get by ourselves, because we know that parents are not able to support them, not able to provide them good food, good nice dress, you know, and good facilities that we are getting, but they are not getting. So there are many reasons, बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं why children have to work. क्यों बच्चे काम करने मतलब काम करते हैं, उसका बहुत सारे reasons हो सकता है. हो सकता है some they want to help their parents, है ना. Yes, हम भी सोचते हैं ना, we want to help our parents, but
Yes,
इतने
ma'am.
छोटे एज में, इतने छोटे एज में आप कैसे हेल्प करोगे पेरेंट्स को? आपके मम्मी पापा तो किसी का वो होटल पे प्लेट धोने के लिए तो नहीं भेजेंगे ना, दे विल नॉट
मैम
सेंड
अच्छी
यू.
तरह स्टडी करके.
हाँ, यस, करेक्ट. So what you are doing these days, you have to study, you have to focus in your career. What is your career now? Your career is to study till you get the degree, है ना. Without degree, without
Yes,
studying,
ma'am.
you cannot get any work. So हमको क्या करना है बच्चे, अभी जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं उसमें हमको we have to pay attention, make our mind strong. हमारे दिमाग को बहुत स्ट्रांग बनाना है, बहुत सारे एक्टिविटी में फोकस करना है. नॉट ओनली रबिश थिंग्स, यू हैव टू डू गुड एक्टिविटीज which will be the useful for your future. समझ में आया ना. तो यहाँ पे जो फैमिली बहुत मतलब पुअर है, उसको हेल्प आउट करने के लिए बच्चे काम पे जाते हैं. एंड हु यहाँ पे हम वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट one boy and girl, and you know that boy name is Value, okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when Value, that boy, and the girl name is Jaya. And last matlab after 2-3 pages we will read, then only you will get that girl name is written there. First of all, it is written about that boy Value who had run away from the house. वो घर से चला गया था when he was at 11 मतलब in the age of 11. वो कितने साल का था, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
11 years का.
Ma'am,
हाँ, 11 years का
11
था.
years.
Yes, that time that situation was not good in their family. In the family, you know, his father was a drunkard. Drunkard means you know those who drink.
Yes, ma'am. दारू पीने वाला.
हाँ. So because of that, family was in mess. Family बहुत problem झेल रहे थे. What we don't know about the mother here, okay? Only they have mentioned about father. So both Value and his sister, small sister, they used to go for work, and whatever money they used to bring, this drunkard father, what he used to do, he used to snatch away. वो लूट लेता था, है ना. And he used to spend that money on drinking. जितने भी वो छोटे बच्चे दोनों कमा के लेके आते थे, whatever work में भी they were doing, they used to pick up the plastic bottles and all, and they used to sell maybe in the garbage place, है ना, कबाड़ा में बेच देते थे होंगे. And you know, कहीं उन लोग शायद हो सकता है प्लेट्स वगैरह धोने जाते थे होंगे, है ना। फ्रॉम देयर दे यूज टू गेट फ्यू मनी, है ना, बहुत लेस मनी उनको मिलता था बिकॉज ऑफ देयर एज ऑल्सो, दे वर नॉट गेटिंग मोर मनी। जो कुछ भी दोनों कमा के लाते थे, दैट ऑल्सो फादर यूज टू स्नैच देम, snatch away and drink and finish it. So see the life of these children. So now he had run away, and this value, value, that boy, 11 years boy, he ran away from the house because the father used to beat them. जब पैसे क्या करते थे, पैसे नहीं देते थे, तो वो क्या करते थे उनके पापा, he used to
मारते
take
थे।
the stick and मारते थे उनको, है ना, used to beat them.
हाँ।
So how much he will get beating, everyday beating, how much you will bear, कितने आप सहन कर पाओगे everyday beating? So ultimately you will run away from the house, ना? Yes ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
डेली बीटिंग खाओगे तो जरूर आपको तो कहीं जाना पड़ेगा, so that you can escape yourself. So this boy did the same. Every day he was getting beating and beating, and whatever money he used to earn, it was snatched away from that father used to snatch away all the money and spend on drinking. So this boy, he ran away from the house, and he was at the station, railway station. कहाँ चला गया?
चेन्नई के लिए जाना चाहता था वो।
हाँ, यस, दौड़ते दौड़ते वो कहाँ चला गया है? रेलवे स्टेशन।
चेन्नई।
बट एट द स्टेशन ही डिड नॉट नो एनीवन। वो किसी को नहीं जानता था, नाइदर ही कुड रिकॉग्नाइज एनीवन। वो किसी को नहीं पहचानता था, ना किसी को जानता तक नहीं था। बट यू नो दैट, एंड he had no money, no tickets, and he is going to travel in the train. Can you imagine? कभी आपके लाइफ में कभी ऐसा हुआ है? If you have no
No, ma'am.
money, no tickets, मेरे साथ हुआ है। एक बार मैं, what happened, when I was going for my college study. So I was getting in the train, and that train moved. पता है, चलती ट्रेन से मैं जंप कर दिया, और मेरा पर्स एक फ्रेंड के पास था। Only I had one bottle of water with me. That's all. I had no money, no purse, nothing. Just I sat down and I cried and cried. उसके बाद पुलिस के पास गया, पुलिस बोले कि you another train जब आएगी ना, next train, there you get inside and you go. Nothing will happen. And when TTA came, I got inside, but when TTA came, my heart was beating like anything. इतना धक धक कर रहा था, but luckily that ticket collector did not say anything to me, and by the evening I reached the place. So it happens with someone, unfortunately हो सकता है ना किसी के साथ भी, but here it's different. हाँ, कभी कभार हो जाता है ऐसा, पॉकेट मार भी हो जाता है ट्रेन में, है ना, यू लूज एवरीथिंग, सब कुछ हो जाता है, तो यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, देन उस टाइम पे क्या महसूस होता है? बट हियर इज डिफरेंट, दैट फैमिली इज वेरी पुअर। उनके मम्मी के बारे में कुछ बताया गया नहीं है, ओनली दिस चिल्ड्रन एंड हिज फादर. So this value, when he went there, he did not know anyone. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे? I will explain you when we read it. See, he was wondering and wondering in that place. Before getting in the train, he was wondering. घूम रहा था कि क्या करेगा वो, without tickets, without money. He has no idea क्या करेगा वो, है ना? इतना सोच में पड़ गया कि he did not know, कि किसी के पास भी जाके कुछ नहीं बोल पा रहा है कि I don't have money, I don't have tickets. Just he was wondering, वहीं पे घूम रहा है, गोल गोल घूम रहा है, इधर से उधर भटक रहा है ना? He has ultimately got inside the train. और वो कहाँ पहुंच जाता है, चेन्नई पहुंच जाता है ना. एंड ही वॉज टायर्ड एंड हंग्री. ऑब्वियसली आपको सुबह से शाम तक हो जाएगा तो भूख लगेगी ना. यस, यू विल फील हंग्री.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई भी, किसी को भी उनको भूख लगेगी. तो उसी तरह ये जो है, दिस वैल्यू ऑल्सो, ही वॉज वेरी हंग्री. एज सुन एज ही गॉट डाउन फ्रॉम द ट्रेन, वो वॉक करने लग गया है ना. ही वॉज मूविंग फ्रॉम दैट स्टेशन टू अदर साइड. At that time only he could see one girl. Okay, he could see one girl. She was picking up the bottles and waste things which was lying at the station.
कबाड़ा उठाने वाले.
Station से. हाँ, yes. तो वो गर्ल एक बोरी लेकर क्या कर रही है, वो जितने भी रबिश थिंग्स है, बॉटल्स है, जो जो पानी पी के फेंकते हैं, कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी के फेंकते हैं ना, वो सारी वो ये अपनी बोरी में कलेक्ट कर रही है. दैट ही सो. ओके, एंड ही फॉलोड दैट गर्ल. उसके पीछे भागने लग गया. एंड उनका नाम क्या था पता है? जया. और ये उनको भूख लगी है, that's why he is following that girl so that she can provide him some food. So he says that I am hungry. He says, or मतलब without any fear and without any problem, he says that I am hungry. तो ये गर्ल क्या करती है, वो एक होटल होता है ना, उनके पीछे देयर वाज ए गार्बेज डंपिंग करते थे. ओके, दे यूज्ड टू डंप दैट गार्बेज. सो देयर दे कुड फाइंड अ बनाना एंड कुछ बड़ा मिला उनको होटल से फेंकते हुए. वो जो सड़ा हुआ, आई थिंक इट वाज लिटिल बिट ब्लैकिश, जो बनाना जब ओवर राइप हो जाता है एंड उसका छिलका कैसा दिखता है,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
black.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
he was very much hungry. He was very hungry, so he did not mind that banana is spoiled or it is black or red, whatever it may be, but he just wanted to fill up his stomach. तो वो क्या करता है, जैसे उसके हाथ से ले लेता है एंड ही इट्स अप एवरीथिंग, पूरा खा जाता है. तो दिस फॉलोस लाइक दैट. तो पूरे चैप्टर में समरी अभी एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूंगी. आई विल नॉट एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग नाउ दे विल, both of them, they will collect and they will go and keep that things, in short I am saying, okay, in their home, where that home was made up of mud से और वो झाड़ी बूढ़ी से बना हुआ घर था, which value never seen in his life before. वो कभी नहीं देखा था ऐसे घर. फिर ये दोनों कलेक्ट, हाँ यस, झोपड़ी जैसा, जैसे मड हो, स्टिक्स हो, बम्बू हो, इस सारे को काट के बनाते हैं, है ना. So both of them, they used to get up early in the morning and collect that bottles and whatever rat keeper they were ना, जो waste things होता था, and they used to go and sell in that bazaar. Okay, and they used to get money. So we'll see, I will share you the your PDF file and we'll study and I will see and we'll understand better. Okay, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sushma is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Sushma, can you please read? Just wait, let me adjust it. Can you see beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, come on. उसके बाद आदित्य माथुर, be ready, okay? I'll make you to read.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Come on. Sushma.
Chapter 2, Children at Work. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in
यहाँ से
at
पढ़ो
Chennai
बच्चे।
Central. मैम
यहाँ
कहाँ
से
से?
पढ़ो बच्चा। Value an 11 years old boy, वहां से पढ़ो।
Okay, ma'am. Velu and an 11-year boy runs away from home. He wandered around for hours before getting on a train to Chennai without a ticket. Tired and hunger, he doesn't know where to go
Hungry.
when a stranger at the station shout a word of welcome. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Center, it took Velu
Right.
some time to get off. When he finally stood on the platform, his leg felt wobbly, as if he was still on a moving train. "Oi, out of the way!" A porter went by with a loaded trolley. Velu jumped aside. He sat on a bench of the platform, putting his small bundle down. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people except once a year at the fair in his village. People walked by bumping into him with their suitcase. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. Near him, a group of people sat on their luggage looking at a TV hanging from the roof. The noise was treble.
Okay,
Velu
wait. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Wait. Huh? So you see here, before you read, there are many reasons that I had explained you already, na? So I will take from this first part. Value, an 11 years old boy runs away from home. He wanders around for an hour before getting on a train to Chennai without a ticket. Tired and hungry, he doesn't know where to go when a stranger at the station shouts a word of welcome. So, as have you been to the station anytime? कभी गए हो बच्चे स्टेशन पे?
Yes, ma'am.
अनाउंसमेंट होता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
that train is arriving, this train is leaving at this time and that time, all that announcement is going on, it goes on na?
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
Yes. तो यहाँ value 11 years of old boy, when he reached to the station, he was wondering, उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, he did not know anyone and he did not know what to do because he had no money, no tickets. So he was wondering and he could see the people crowded at the station and he could hear, उनको सुनाई देता था what, you know, announcement, and people used to carry so many suitcases, luggages, उनका bags, जैसे स्टेशन पे आप जाओगे, you will go and see, then people you will see with many luggages traveling ना? Yes, इस पार से उस पार बहुत लगेज उठा के जाते हैं, है ना? When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Central, it took values some time to get off. और ये ट्रेन पे वो चेन्नई की ओर जा रहा है, and when it pulled, that train express, Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Central, means वहां पे वो स्टॉप हो गया है ना? It took value some time to get off. Get off means to get out. Okay. When he finally stood on the platform, his leg felt wobbly. देखो, जब वो ट्रेन पे ट्रेवल करके जब कन्याकुमारी he reached there, and when he was standing at the platform, his leg was shivering, है ना? Unsteady, like wobbly. Unsteady मतलब he was not able to stand properly. Why, you know? Because he was hungry
Wondering.
and tired, है ना? As if he was still on a moving train. और उसको लग रहा था कि first time he traveled through the train, by train, not through that train, by train. So ये first time उसको ट्रेन में ट्रैवलिंग करने के लिए उनको मतलब मौका मिला. That's why he is feeling till now. जैसे कि आप लोग भी ट्रेन यात्रा करने के बाद after reaching home also you feel that you are in the train, you are moving, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
फील
ma'am.
होता है ना बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. ये एक दिन कम से कम, ये 1 day or 2 days it takes to overcome from that situation, or you can say that feeling, moving train से जब उतरने के बाद, I think almost 1 or 2 days it takes to get rid of, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Out of the way, a water went by with a loaded trolley. So Value jumped aside. When he was at a platform, he could see one trolley man. आप देखे होंगे ना ट्रॉली में खींचते हुए at the
Yes, ma'am.
station.
Yes, ma'am.
So Value also saw that same thing. और उसमें वो जंप कर दिया because he is a like naughty boy ना, है ना, छलांग मारना, है ना. So he jumped over there and he sat on a bench on the platform. फिर वो चला गया and he sat down on that प्लेटफॉर्म में जो बेंच लगा हुआ रहता है ना, he sat on that. वो बैठ गया वहां पे. Putting his small bundle down. Now आप लोग तो क्या करते हैं, बैग लेके घूमते हैं ना. Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
take your carry bag na, but
Yes,
in
ma'am.
that
Yes, ma'am.
time these people were very poor, so they don't have any bags, not even a plastic bag, है ना. वो स्टाइलिश वाला बैग तो छोड़ो, बात ही नहीं करना है उससे. But they were not having plastic bag also, बोरी भी नहीं था उनके पास. So what he did, you know, उनका 2-4 कपड़ा क्या किया, वो बैंडल बनाया. Have you seen? रुको मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. ये
Yes,
देखो,
ma'am.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
बंडल बना के बैठा है.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
so
And
imagine.
totally.
हाँ, पोटली बोलते हैं ना. See, कपड़े से कैसे बांध के रखा है ना. And he's sitting nicely on the bench. And you see, he's actually वो इधर उधर देख रहा है because he doesn't know anyone, huh?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
that he is very new to that place. वो प्लेस जो है ना चेन्नई, वो पहली बार गया है वहाँ. He is gone first time. So in all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people except once a year at the fair in his village. So in his life, he has not seen this much crowded people. बस एक ही बार उसने देखा था जिस टाइम उनके गांव में एक मेले लगे थे ना, फेयर. That time he had seen that people, little crowded people he had seen. But now he could see so many people are moving from one side to the other side. And so he is surprised, he is shocked to see. People walked by bumping into him with their suitcases. देखो, आप तुम लोग ध्यान नहीं दोगे when you walk, है ना, प्लेटफॉर्म में आप चल रहे हो और आप इधर उधर देख के चल रहे हो, then what happens, you know, क्या होता
Ma'am,
है.
thieves, चोरी हो जाएगा
मैम
सामान.
चोरी हो जाता है.
सामान भी चोरी हो जाएगा बेटा. एंड यू नो पीपल विल मूव एंड दे विल हिट यू. किसी का सूटकेस आप में हिट होगा, कोई लोग धक्का दे के चले जाएंगे, है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
होता है ना. यस.
चेंज हो जाए.
हाँ बेटा बोलो. बम्पिंग इनटू हिम मीन्स उनके पे मतलब उनका सूटकेस टच करके धक्का दे के इन लोग आगे की ओर निकल रहे हैं. एंड वैल्यू इज जस्ट मूविंग स्लोली एंड he is observing and looking the people of where the people were moving and it is very crowded. First time उनके लाइफ में देखने को मिल रहा है. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. और वो पहली बार उनको सुनाई दे रहा है ना लाउड स्पीकर में. Near him a group of people sat on their luggages. लोग क्या किए, अपना लगेज रख के they were sitting on that, है ना, and looking at a TV hanging from the roof. आप लोग स्टेशन में देखे होंगे ना. The noise was terrible. So people were just looking at the TV screen. People are going and coming and hell of noise they are making. Terrible noise. बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आती है ना प्लेटफॉर्म में when you go there. So many
Yes, ma'am.
people they talk and some so many announcements are made from the people and whatever they want to say, which train is coming and at what time is coming, all that they give the information. So for all these things is new for value. Value जो है, value उनके लिए ये सारी चीजें बिल्कुल न्यू है ना. Okay, next Aditya, read it.
Their luggage looking at a TV hanging from the roof. The noise was terrible. Value
And
put his head down on his knees, feeling miserable and exhausted. He had
Miserable.
run miserable
Hmm.
and exhausted. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery.
Jaggery.
मैम जगरी का मतलब
गुड़ गुड़ देखे हो?
in his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel and a comb. He had walked
wait.
for most of the first day to Kannur and then got on the train to Chennai. Value had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted
Shouted.
all night.
Shouted all night. Okay, wait, huh? So you see, Value put his head down on his knees. वो अपने घुटने पे अपना हेड रखा एंड फीलिंग मिजरेबल एंड एग्जॉस्टेड. मिजरेबल, उसको बहुत कमजोर फील हो रहा है बिकॉज ही हैज नॉट ईटन फॉर 2 days. एग्जॉस्टेड, थका हुआ महसूस हो रहा है. मिजरेबल, बिल्कुल कमजोर महसूस हो रहा है उनको. He had run away from his village 2 days ago because he has gone away from his home 2 days ago and he has not eaten anything, not even a one chapati or some slice of bread. कुछ उसको खाए नहीं थे. That's why he is feeling hungry. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. Peanuts, कुछ peanuts खाया है and a piece of jaggery. गुड़ होता है ना बेटा, आप जानते हो गुड़?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, जो कि
Yes, ma'am.
कोई नहीं जानते होंगे. आई थिंक यू नो जॉगरी, वो गुड़ को बोलते हैं. जो गन्ना का वो जो एक तो शुगर बनता है और एक गुड़ बनता है ना गन्ना से,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
शुगर केन.
Yes, ma'am.
तो white one is your sugar and that little blackish, that is your jaggery.
Jaggery.
Okay, हाँ, जगरी है. जो कि in his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel and a comb. तो वो जो पोटली में क्या बंध के रखा है, क्या रखा है?
Shirt, a towel and a comb.
Towel.
Yes. हाँ, yes, shirt, towel and ये comb रखा है, so that he
Yes,
can
ma'am.
comb his hair, he can change his shirt,
His
है ना?
shirt.
He will take wherever he will get water, he will take bath and comb and all, na? So he thought maybe in that way, and he has carried this. Okay, so he
Yeah.
had walked for most of the first day to Kannur and then got on the train to Chennai. तो Kannur, it is in Kerala, साउथ. ओके, तो साउथ में है जो ही इस कन्नूर पहुंच गया, उसके बाद चेन्नई चला गया, है ना. वैल्यू हैड नो मनी फॉर अ टिकट बट लकीली द टिकट कलेक्टर डिड नॉट कम टू द अनरिजर्व्ड कंपार्टमेंट. जैसे कि वहां पे वैल्यू डिड नॉट हैव एनी मनी, एनी टिकट. बेटा म्यूट कर देना सारे बच्चे, म्यूट कर देना एक बार. Yes, बच्चे, please mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. बच्चे, please mute yourself. किसका है? Yes, किसका माइक ऑन है? Let's see. बच्चे प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ एवरीवन, प्लीज. देखो, ओके. यस, अंकित. So when he reached to that Kannur, after that he got into the another train and he reached to Chennai, है ना. And when he reached, can you see the एक minute, just a minute बच्चे. Can you see the screen, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सारे बच्चे म्यूट कर देना बेटा जब मैं पढ़ूंगी, when I will explain, because some disturbances when it comes we get disturb ourselves, है ना, अपने आप
Okay, ma'am.
डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं. So you see, he felt miserable, exhausted. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. In his bundle, he carried a shirt, a towel, and a comb. He had walked for most of the first day to Kannur and then got on the train to Chennai. वो देखो कनूर तक उसने वॉक करके गया था, and after that he got into the train. Value had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. So unreserved compartment यहाँ से तक मैं पढ़ दिया था. Okay, so he was little bit frightened, but he has no ways and means to escape, है ना. उसको तो लग रहा था because he had no money, no tickets, he was frightened also, but he took courage to travel. He had tired to sleep on the floor near the door. Tried, not tired. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. So जब वो रिजर्व में कंपार्टमेंट में व्हाट हैपेंस, यू नो, कोई भी आपको अपने जगह पे बैठने तक नहीं देते हैं, है ना. यस
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
हाँ यस.
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
this boy, what he did, he was just sitting at the door. जहाँ पे लोग आते जाते हैं ना, they get into the train and they get out from that door. Same in that same place he was just sitting, and he wanted to sleep also because he is feeling tired, थक गया है, and he is feeling hungry also. So just he wanted to lie down for some time. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night, but he could not sleep. Why, you know, people used to play cards. Those people, those who were sitting near him, they were playing cards whole night and shouting like anything. So this poor fellow, he was not able to sleep also. Yes, Gunjan is there. Sonali? Yes, children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see how many of you are there. Don't leave the class in between, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So see here that now we will see further. Hey, what new to town A called out a rough voice. So he could hear some voice. Value opened his eyes. जब वो सो रहा था, somebody was shouting. There were a lot of people